Packaging is pretty nice. It's like an extra protection for the USB port. Carabiner, and here's a light. Pretty small. Got that extra cap right here. Very bright though. Feels heavy, good weight, solid material. Let me turn off the lights. Pretty cool.
Hey everyone, so this is the OLIGHT IMINI 2. I've been using it for about a month now, and I have to say, I love this flashlight. I use it a lot more than I ever thought I would. I love that it's also rechargeable, that it's magnetic, so if you remove it from its little piece right here, and it just magnetically connects again, it'll turn it on and off. And that you can just charge it from there to any USB-A port. This is super lightweight, water resistant. I mean, this thing's a beast for how small it is. I mean, look at that, like just how small that it is. That's incredible. And let me show you what it looks like when the lights are off. So pretty dark in here, and this is what you get. This is incredible. I mean, I use this for power outages. If I'm walking home and it's dark out and I need to see where it is that I'm stepping, like this is just cool. Like I recommend this product to anybody because if nothing else, just the ability to be able to charge it quickly and effortlessly, but then also just how bright it is. I mean, this is incredible. Great product. I love this brand. I recommend it to everybody. So yeah, pick yourself up one.
This iMini 2 from OLIGHT is perfect for everyday carry. It comes with this clip so you can hook it to your keys. It also has a little rubber protector and a USB attached. So you just plug that into a USB port to charge it up. It's got a strong magnet which keeps the two parts together, but it easily pulls off and activates. Very quick and convenient. I would highly recommend this.
true urban legend. Coming to a bio near you, a Minecraft movie meal. You can get it with a Big Mac or a 10-piece chicken McNuggets with spicy nether flame sauce.